No, I'm walking northbound on Victoria Street, north and erected on Hillcrest Drive. No exit, local traffic only. Now, this is because that's where the south end of the construction on Toronto Road gas pipeline. They're doing construction there. So they're trying to. So Arthur Street is fine. And Fraser Street, they're going to make people also block. So this is also the only other way in. So tractors will be moving now. Trefusis Street does have an entrance, but as of there, they're going to block it. So that's another street. Now Lavinia Street is also going to be another blocked street. And there's the tractor coming. It's some more dirt. Yeah. And they just turned right and used Trefusis Street to go on Hillcrest Drive, where did most of the dumping. So also another street that will be busy, and transport trucks are technically allowed on Percival Street, just by local middle school and public high school. If you want to go like fast, yeah, you have to use Percival Street. Because it's kind of a struggle just to keep up the schedule, and we don't know if this construction will go into September when school starts for all students. So this is going to be very difficult if it will. People being late. So there will be more traffic on Victoria Street North. So do be prepared to deal with a lot of local traffic if you're going through that area. As if one big construction project wasn't a big disruption to a lot of people. Now it's a disruption for everyone, even if you don't live in Northumberland County. So plan ahead and drive safe, and of course use Google Maps or Waze, whatever you use.